Since the beginning of time, man has been responsible for growing their own food, and we have thrived off the soil that the earth provides, whether it's growing produce to feed millions or simply gardening in our own backyards. It's the soil that's constant, and it's the avenue on which we can successfully grow. For without good soil, we cannot have a good harvest, and without good harvest, none of us might be here today. So protecting our soil is vital. It's important, though for years the soil has been neglected, maltreated. It's a result of us, humans, pollution. It's hard to know what came before us. Even for us simple gardeners who just want to start a garden in our home in the city, you never know what was dumped or left on the soil that you want to grow on, causing it to become used, worn, and potentially even useless. For centuries and decades, the soil in which we want to grow on has been used poorly, and there was no answer. Until now. Clean Soil Detox by Dr. Earth gives us another chance. It's a simple, clean, and organic way to clean up soil that has been used and abused for centuries by collecting the harsh minerals and other toxins in the soil, while also giving it a fresh breath of biology such as mycorrhizal fungi and other probiotics. So no matter what the past is, you determine the future. Why stay dirty when you can get clean? Clean Soil Detox by Dr. Earth.